Tired of confusing foreign exchange rates and hefty bank fees while traveling? Wish there was a simpler way to manage your travel expenses? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into how to easily top up your YouTrip card so you can travel the world worry-free. Let's get started. Before we jump into the topping up process, let's quickly recap what YouTrip is. YouTrip is a multi-currency wallet that allows you to spend overseas in over 150 currencies at wholesale exchange rates. No more hidden fees, no more complicated conversions, just simple, transparent spending. Now, why should you top up your YouTrip card? Convenience: top up instantly with your local bank account or credit card. Control: manage your travel budget effectively by topping up only the amount you need. Security: keep your primary bank account information safe by using a dedicated travel card. Best rates: enjoy competitive exchange rates and avoid those pesky bank fees. Alright, let's get to the exciting part: how to actually top up your YouTrip card. YouTrip offers a few convenient methods. Local bank transfer. This is usually the fastest and most cost-effective method. Simply initiate a bank transfer from your local bank account to your YouTrip card account using the provided bank details. YouTrip will typically notify you once the funds have been credited. Credit card. Top up your YouTrip card directly with your credit card. This is convenient if you prefer to use credit card rewards or points. Keep in mind that some credit cards may charge foreign transaction fees, so check with your bank beforehand. Other payment methods. Depending on your location, YouTrip may offer other payment options like e-wallets or debit cards. Check the YouTrip app for the latest available options in your region. Using bank transfer as example. Let's walk through a step-by-step guide using a bank transfer as an example. Open the YouTrip app. Open the YouTrip app on your smartphone. Go to Top Up. Navigate to the Top Up section within the app. Select Bank Transfer. Choose Bank Transfer as your preferred topping up method. Enter amount. Enter the desired amount you wish to top up. View bank details. The app will display the unique bank account details for your YouTrip account. Initiate transfer. Initiate a bank transfer from your local bank account to the provided YouTrip bank account details. Confirmation. Once the transfer is successful, YouTrip will usually send you an in-app notification confirming the top-up. Tips and troubleshooting. Check transfer limits. Be aware of any daily or monthly transfer limits imposed by your bank or YouTrip. Processing time. Bank transfer processing times can vary depending on your bank. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues with your top-up, refer to the YouTrip app's help center or contact their customer support for assistance. Topping up your YouTrip card regularly ensures you have sufficient funds for your travel expenses. This allows you to make spontaneous purchases, enjoy local experiences without worrying about currency exchange, and overall have a more relaxed and enjoyable travel experience. With YouTrip, managing your travel finances has never been easier. By following these simple steps, you can easily top up your card and embark on your global adventures with peace of mind. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.